Morning, everybody, and welcome to another stream. This morning, we're going to do some rapid prototyping. It's going to be a repeat of our tug of war. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to build a LIvebook tug of war game. We're going to SB to get our packages. We need key now, and we need key now. Progress bar. Now we know these need their fixed versions. Oh, so just grab those. Run that, and then we do key now dot start the game module game to use chat server start link. Don't care about the arg. Do gen server dot start link, and we're going to use this module. Don't care about the args. Init. Don't care about the args. Do, and we're going to return OK, comma, add the arped, and then we do continue and set up, and we define our handler for the continue. Don't care about that. This is going to be arped, but we don't use it yet. So, and then here we're going to present our state. Present state. Do, and all this is going to do is going to do keynote progress bar dot update state dot bar state dot value max 100 and return no reply comma state. So then here we set up our state, which is a map. We have our bar there, keynote progress bar dot new. Define our style, which is going to be height 100%, width 100%. Right, we'll come in there, and then we have our value, which is going to be starting with 50. We're going to have a list of column contents. So I've got left state dot bar right. I'm going to pipe that into enum.map fn side when is atom and atom side, and then we do so when we get an item, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new keynote control, which is a button that says pull. Pipe that into keynote.control.subscribe. That needs to be a tab so that we don't change our return value. And then we have end1, and then the tag is our side. And that's that. Okay, so now we pipe that into a keynote. Oh, and we need to make sure that if it's not a atom, then it is our bar, and we just return the bar as it is. And then we are going to pipe that into keynote.layout.grid. We're going to have 2 columns. No, 3 columns, and we're going to have a template which makes them different widths. Say 1 FR, 20 FR, and 1 FR. And then we're going to pipe that into keynote render. And we're looking slight issue there. Keynote prevent. Oh, keynote prevent. There we go. Okay, right. So we've got our buttons that don't do anything, but that's the first start. That's the first step, and then we def handle info, and we're going to get here our side and some other stuff we don't care about. And we're going to get our state, and we're going to finish by we're going to pipe into present. We're going to start with our state, and we're going to pipe that into map.update. The key is going to be value. The function is going to be an operation based on side. So we can do ops. Ops is a map. Left is and -1. Right is and 1+1. Oh, so if you click the right button, it increments by 1. If you click the left one, it decrements by 1. And we do opposite side. And now let's have a look. Cool. Right, there we go. So launch preview, we will call it that'll be tug of war. No password, so anyone can check it out. Only render rich outputs, 0 downtime, go. Okay, and now we can check it out over here. It is fully deployed, so we can drop it in the chat, and anybody can check it out. I'm going to pop that into the chat on here as well. Okay, there we go. Right, so we are 8 minutes into the stream, and we have a fully working MVP of a multiplayer thing that is deployed and available for anybody watching to go and poke it and prod it. And the question is, where do we go from here? We've got all sorts of cool things we can do with this. We can implement scoring, we can have lists of people, we can add an API, which is actually the thing that I like doing. So I'm going to go ahead and add an API here. In order to do that, we need to install plug. And then we need to add something else here, which is keynote.proxy.listen. We're going to listen to, we're going to pass a function that takes a connection. And in fact, we want to match, pattern match on the path info. And this is where we define what the path should be. And I think we got the side there, and then a pull. So the URL would be API URL, base URL /side/pull. And we save that as connection, and we push that into there. And we need an end there. So if we have a match over here, then what we will do is we will do a plug.con.resp send resp, and we will send to the con. We'll send 200. Okay. And we will also send a message to our own PID. So we undo that. And we will send a message that is side comma now, and yeah, that should do the trick. Oh, we want to have a catch-all clause here. If it doesn't match the pattern, then we will do plug.con.send resp. We will send to the con, and we will send a 404 not found. I need to close these braces. What's it complaining about? There we go. Right. So that still works. And if we just grab this, we will put a proxy bit in there. And I'll do /left/pull. Okay, we have an error. I think I'm doing something weird with the send here. It should do the trick. What's wrong? We'll check here. We can do. Yes, but payload is okay. Oh, no, it's not okay. It's not an atom. Okay, that's the issue. So we need side, and we need to pipe that into string.to existing atom, and that can still be no. Now if we run this, okay, we don't need to do this anymore. There we go, and if we switch that to right, cool, there we go. And we can redeploy our app here, relaunch it, and then we need to refresh that page. Okay, so that's our new app URL, and if we open a new tab, open that, we have /proxy /left /pull. Oh, damn it. The same if we go to right. So there we go. This is how you can make API requests, get requests to these URLs, and check out the new API we've just built. I'll drop those in the LinkedIn chat as well. Okay, so we are now 15 minutes in, and we've got a deployed application that's multiplayer capable with a UI and an API. I would say that is probably good enough for today. We'll leave it there. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye.